Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Power the monitor off and unplug the AC and any cables, then lay the screen face down on a soft surface to protect it. Support the display with one hand so it won't tip, and find the quick-release tab or the 2-4 screws holding the stand. Once located, press the latch or remove screws slowly, keeping a hand under the stand. This prevents the assembly from falling. You're doing the initial detach, so the heavier middle steps are safe and controlled. Now continue by removing any plastic cover that hides extra screws or clips. Manufacturers often hide 1-2 fasteners there. Use a magnetic or labeled container for bolts. M4s, washers, and spacers go in separate compartments so reassembly is easy later. Once all fasteners are out, slide the stand bracket straight back or lift at the indicated angle. Do not twist, because threaded posts can shear. Make sure you maintain steady pressure. To finish, place the stand, screws, and any covers into a labeled bag so you won't lose parts. If you plan to use a VESA arm, keep the plate handy. Re-inspect the monitor for any remaining clips or cable retainers that might snag when you move it upright, and clean contact points lightly. If the stand won't free, don't force it. Look for secondary tabs or recess screws, depress plastic locks fully, or back off nearby fasteners. This prevents damage and solves most stubborn fits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.